Hi everyone, welcome to Discover Natural. So today I'm coming to you with a hair tutorial. I saw this picture on Instagram, Lola Day Fashola, and I was waiting for her to do the tutorial, and she finally did the tutorial, and I said I'm gonna go out of my comfort zone and try out this style. So cross your fingers, let me try it out and see what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video while I struggle to try out this hairstyle. So a few days before I did this hairstyle, I had washed my hair and I stretched it with some perm rods. So I'm just going to re-moisturize my hair. I really need a trim. I mean, you guys, I'm going to trim my hair soon. Very, very soon. I think probably maybe the next video or so, but I do need a trim. So I'm just re-moisturizing my hair using Controlled Chaos, their curl cream. I'm just trying to get through all my hair products and stuff before I go back to my Holy Grail products. So if you guys want to know what products I've used, the products that I normally use, I did a video that before this video came out. I did a video. So this particular hairstyle, I will say before you do this hairstyle, make sure you moisturize your hair thoroughly, because especially the roots area, so the ends are going to be tucked in, but the base area, moisturize it really well and also detangle your hair. So I'm not big on using combs, but I just felt that I needed to use a comb for this, and you can kind of tell by the way I'm combing my hair that I do need a trim. I've gone too long without a trim. So yeah, I do need a trim, and that is it. So I don't like combing my hair. I'm tender-headed and I don't like combing it while it's in this state. So it is what it is. So I just removed some shedded hair, and this is what my hair looks like. So I first started off by using a comb to part my hair, and I just couldn't. You'll see what I'm doing, that later on you'll notice that I just couldn't continue using a comb. I just started using my fingers. So what I'm doing, I'm just creating a small section of hair. And what she did was she actually did braids. She did 3-strand braids, but I don't like braids. At this point, I was kind of debating, should I do braids? I just don't like doing braids to my hair. I'm so slow at doing braids, so I decided to do twist. And the way you do it is that you don't start from the root. You start from kind of like maybe an inch or 2 inches, depending on how long your hair is, away from the root, because the twist, you are going to tuck it in. So like, see how I'm doing? I'm just taking the hair and I'm tucking it in right there. So you just kind of tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in. Now my hair is quite long, so if you have shorter hair, it's gonna look much better than this mess that I made. But you can see how part of the twist kind of came out. So I'm kind of using the hair to the poof part, the puff puff part, to hide it. This is when I ditch the comb down. You know what? Forget it. I'm just gonna use my fingers. And even this kind of hairstyle, you don't want your roots to, I mean, your scalp to show. Your scalp is supposed to be hidden. Let me pop out the. Let me just show you again what the picture looks like. So you see what I'm saying? So the root, the base, your scalp is not supposed to be showing. So anyway, I'm just going to try my best to kind of tuck in my hair. If my hair was shorter, it would have looked even much better. This hairstyle is good for people that have thick hair. So if you have very, very thick hair, it will look fabulous. My hair looks thick, but it's really not thick. I have very fluffy, fluffy hair. But regardless to say, this hairstyle is also great for people that are tender-headed. So if you are tender-headed like me, this is perfect style. I felt while I wore this hairstyle, I felt like I didn't have hair. My head felt light. There was no tension whatsoever. So I was a little bit struggling with how it looked. So I had to go and grab my standing mirror. So that's my standing mirror, and I decided to try it out. And you all just check out. Oh, my ends are so busted. I can't remember. I need to trim. I keep on saying it. Oh my goodness. So if anybody comes for me in this video, yes, I know my ends needs to be trimmed, and I'm going to trim it. I think, yeah, life has been lifing. That's why we've not been doing life and stuff. But life has been lifing. I have a new job. So that I've been doing, and it's very, 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 very stressful. That's all I can say about that. Regardless to say, I'm just going to continue. I'm going to show you one more time how I do it. You can see I'm just grabbing hair. And yeah, so I'm just grabbing here and I'm just twisting, twisting, twisting like that. Kind of doing loose twist. You can do braids. Don't get me wrong. You can do braids. So once I've twisted, I'm just going to take it. I'm not even twisting to the end at this point. And I'm just going to tuck it in. So I kind of devised a way to tuck it in where the twist won't show. I think I did a better job at that. But anyway, keep watching. Okay, y'all, I've finished doing it. I think I did more sections than Lola did, but this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go grab my scarf and tie down my scarf. So that was what she did. So you just tie down your scarf so that it's not so poofy. This is actually called, she calls it puff puff hairstyle, and that is what I'm gonna name it too. So I'm just tying it down. And I'm just gonna do my makeup and come back and show you guys what it looks like. So just tie down your scarf like that, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I put on my African earring because I think this is such an Afrocentric hairstyle, and I'm gonna take it down and let's see what it looks like. Oh. So this is what it looks like. And of course you can add jewelry and everything like that. Yeah. So this is the style. You could do so many things with it. I didn't do anything with my edges. But overall, what you guys did? Did I do it? Did I not do it? So I just enjoyed going out of my comfort zone, and this is the area view. Yeah, so you all please go check out Lola De Fashola. She's such a talented young lady. She is also a musician, and she plays I think that's the guitar. Hopefully I'm saying it right. And she always does a lot of different hairstyles. So you all check her out. She's on Instagram, she's on YouTube as Lola De Fashola. I just think she's just amazing. I always like encouraging young ladies, and not because she has Shola in her name, but she's such a beautiful individual, and I enjoy what she does. Also, she also played music with one of my favorite musicians, Emma, and I do enjoy it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Oh, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.